Hello YouTube, this is Ian again, back with another video. Today I want to talk about identity theft and credit card fraud. Specifically, how to prevent them or mitigate them if it ever happens to you. So, the reason I want to talk about this is because I have had to deal with this before. About 2 years ago, when I was living in Texas, I noticed that large sums of money were coming out of my checking account, and it appeared to be payments for an American Express card that I have. I had the American Express Hilton Honors card. When I went to go look at that statement online, I could not see the payments there, and that's when I realized that the payments were being made to a card that was in my name but not visible on my American Express account. So then I realized that a fraudster had been using my account and they were paying for it with my checking account, which is something I'd never heard of before. I called American Express. They appeared to have not heard of that either. Same with my bank, Wells Fargo, but we were able to resolve it. They refunded the money. It was a very confusing situation, and it took about 6 months for it to fully get resolved because American Express was still asking for money for this fraudulent account that I had never opened, and with enough discussion, shall I say, on the telephone, I convinced them that the account is not mine, and it was resolved. Very, very confusing situation. I wouldn't wish it upon anybody. I'm not really sure what happened, how this all went down. I don't know who the fraudster was. I do have a theory that when I ordered a replacement Hilton Honors card, someone might have intercepted it in the mail and started using it. Another theory I have is that it's related to the Equifax data breach a few years ago. So it was a stressful ordeal, but I learned a lot from it, and I want to share some of that with you guys. The first thing I learned is, unless you need to have it unlocked, always keep your credit bureau reports locked or frozen. Or, I don't know, they have new terms for it now. They keep changing it, but keep them secure, basically. It only takes 10 minutes. Just go on there and lock them up. The second suggestion I would have you guys heed is always check your credit card statements. Just make sure there's nothing fishy happening on there. Check your bank statements as well. And the third thing I would advise is identity theft insurance. And I first heard of identity theft insurance 6 months ago when I first started listening to Dave Ramsey, and he recommends Zander identity theft insurance, and that's who I've been using. It's less than $10 a month. They have coverage up to $1 million, and it just seems like a pretty good thing to have. So yeah, stay safe out there, especially this time of year with all the holiday shopping. Just be careful with your money and your credit cards. Thank you for watching. Before I go, I have one question, or request, I should say, to ask of you. Take your mouse, click the like button, click the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and have a great day.